Di pala recorded yun. Okay. So the topic is about forms and some controls about Visual Basic.NET 2019. Okay, so I will open up my Visual Studio and share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen now? Nakikita ba? Okay. So I need to create a new project here, and I need to select Windows Forms Application.NET using Visual Basic. Next, then I need to set project name. Say session. This is session 4. Session 4 demo. Then need to create the project. Okay. So, yung Zoom, hindi ko siya pwedeng i-share. So, I need to reshare. Okay. Can you see my screen now? Nakikita ba? You're supposed to view the Visual Studio 2019 development window. Nakikita ba, guys?
Nakita po.
Okay.
Yes po.
Okay. So here I have our main form. Actually, in our LMS, I have uploaded my discussion last time with the MySQL, the workbench, and the sample program I did. So here I have the form 1. I will rename this form as, let's say this is my, this one. I will rename this form as FRM main. This message will appear showing that we should rename to all references. I should click yes. Yeah. So I'll try to run the program. Okay, so the program is running. Can you see my screen?
Hindi po namin sir nakita yung mismong nilaran.
Okay. So I need to reshare. This is the output. Yeah. This is the output of the program. Okay. So stop share. I-reshare ko yung development environment. Yan. I need to stop. Okay. So I have now form FRM main for my main form. I can double click it to see the design view. Okay. Let us say you wanted to add another form, which is the login form. Kasi this form is intended for the main form. So you can click here project, add form, and here you can just click this forms Windows form to create a blank form, or you can make use of the built-in Windows forms of Microsoft. So you can click this and click login form and click add. So that will add a login form in your project. Okay. Can you see the login form? Nakikita ba?
Yes po, nakikita po.
Oh, okay. So it has a username, password. So uh, in your project, since you will be creating information systems for business, this is a requirement for the project. Dapat lahat may login form and it should connect to MySQL database. But then the demonstration of that will be on our next sessions, not today. So pinapakita ko lang na pwede kayo mag-add ng multiple forms. And you can make use of this built-in forms. So can double click this, and this is the code for this event. The event is okay on click me.close. Me pertains to the active form. So that is the login. So when I click this, you will notice that this is also selected, meaning the me here pertains to the login form one. Okay. So if we run the program, the output would be the same. So stop share. If you can see this is still the form one or the main form, not the login form that is shown during runtime. It is because the compiler, I mean the Visual Basic project does not know that you wanted to the login form to be the startup window. So kailangan mo iset yan. Yung alam niya, yung FRM main pa rin, yung main form. So to do that, you need to click this project. This is our project name, session for demo. Right click, then properties. Then you look for startup object. So select your login form. Okay. So after that, you click run. Here may error, so let's check. Check here. Yan natin. Form 1, meaning hindi siya nag-update. So just select. So kung nangyari yan, ito lang. Sa error, ilagay niya login form 1. Ibig sabihin hindi siya nag-refresh. Maybe may problema dun sa installation ko. Pero that's okay. So I'll just click here. So share again my screen. So this is already the output of the program. So yung login form na yung nauuna. Okay? So naintindihan? Thumbs up lang kung naintindihan. Okay. Okay, let's continue. So I have now the login form. Let's say if the user clicks this OK, it will show or activate the main form. So double click it. So instead of closing this, we need to hide the form, the login form, me.hide. Then the FRM main.show the form. Okay, so hide the login form and show the main form. Yan ang ibig sabihin yan. So sa main form, this is our main form. Windows control demo. Kasi yan talaga yung topic natin for today. So, you can click save all, then run. Okay, stop. I-reshare ko, i-reshare. Okay, this is the output. If you click OK, let's say the username and password are correct. Okay, this Windows Control Demo. Nagpo-post yung sharing ko kasi naglilipat-lipat siya ng form. Sige, I'll just share my whole screen. Wait lang I-share ko na lang yung buong screen. Screen, whole screen. Yan. So here, again, the code here and the login form. Tagal. View code. Me.hide, then main.show. So run. So click. So yeah, ito na. Okay, so easy as that. So we are done with setting up the startup form, and we were able to show another form and hide the login form. Okay. Yeah. So we can here, and here we can set. Actually, I demonstrated already the in the login form. For example, during the startup, the object here, the start sa form na to. Pag load niya, we can me that startup position is equals to center 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 Ba't tayo? Tama ba? Okay, the startup position. Kung may error dito, pag load niya. Ito. PB center. Let's see. Ba't hindi siya gumana? Okay, anyway, we can just set up the property. Kung ayaw sa code, then sa property. Pero mamaya mapagana natin yan. Bagal. So here, sa properties window, dapat center screen. I-comment muna natin to. Yun, nasa center na siya ng screen. Okay? So, pati rin yung main form. Ilagay natin na yung startup position niya nasa center. Sa property. Center screen. Okay. And next, we need to add a list box. Itong ano na to, window na to, this is the toolbox. These are the objects that you can put inside your form. So this the list box, and let's create a button that will add items on this list box. So let's say this is the add button. And add. Let's say another button. This is and clear. So text. Dun sa text. Okay. This is clear. Okay. So what we're going to do every time the user clicks the add button, the program will pop up an input box and will allow you to input an item and will be listed here. Okay, so here the event is click. So you can start with me, meaning with me with my form. So I don't have to type frm dot ganyan dot list box and for other. So ang gagawin ko with me na lang para mas madali. I-type ko lang dot. It will have a list of objects na nasa loob ng main form. Ganyan. Kasi kung walang with me, ito, kasi wala ito, I have to type frm main dot list. Actually, hindi nga siya mahanap yung mga objects kapag walang with me. Okay. So, iba yung mga properties niya. So, for simplicity, code simplicity, I always use with me. Yan. So, that list box 1 dot items dot add. So, ito string. Let's say this is VB. That. So, okay. So, yung clear, wala pang code yung clear. So, let's say gusto natin user input. So, we can make use of an input box. So, you can declare as a variable dim my item string. Then, my item is equals to input box add an item. Ito name ng input box demo. And here, ilalagay natin my item. Yan. So, let's say AV.NET. Okay, add item, Python, say C Sharp. Yan. Okay. So next, we wanted to clear the items in the list box. So click this. Here the event is click every time you click the bit and clear. So with me that list box one dot items dot clear. Okay, so run the program. Click OK. Let's say A, B, C. So yung clear naman, clear. Yun. Again, 1, 4, 89, 89. Click the clear button. There you go. So easy as that. Yan. Let's say naman you wanted to remove a specific item on the list box. So here, bottom. Tagal nagahang yung ano ko. Remove. So the name can be bit and remove. So here we can have with me that list box one that items that remove at and the list box one that selected item. Okay. So let's check. Run. A, B, C, 56, 78. So let's remove letter B. Select, then remove. Okay, so may error. So ibig sabihin hindi siya selected item. Selected index. Tingnan natin. Wait lang. 1 minute kasi may tumatawag. Okay, so let's run. C T. Okay, so there you go. So it's now working. That's clear. Let's add again. Okay, let's remove the first one. Okay. Okay. So that is the behavior of the list box. And you might ask, how do we integrate control structures? Let's say, for example, we wanted to add numbers from 1 to 10 using a loop in your list box. So we can create another button here. So 1 to 10. This is the source code view. So with me, so here we need to make use of a loop. And you might ask, sir, ano ba, asan ba yung reference kung paano yung mga loop? You can actually create, insert a snippet. Right click, snippet, insert snippet. So dito. So sa code patterns, anong gusto mo? Let's say do while. So yan yung format ng do while loop. So do while true then loop. So let's say let's have a counter dim counter as integer while counter is less than or equal to 10, then so counter is equals to 0. Counter is equals to counter plus 1. That list box dot items dot add counter. So dapat to 1. So let's try. Run. Yun. 1 to 10 na siya. Let's remove number 4. Remove. Let's clear. Add 1 to 10. Yun. So, yun. Hindi na kita yung add 1 to 10. This is now using the do while loop. Okay. Of course, if you will ask, will I be able to discuss all of this? Siyempre hindi. Hindi ko yun madidiscuss lahat. Sobrang dami nito. Imagine this one, no? Kung ano yung mga behavior ng mga objects na to. Pero yan, pwede mong gamitin yan lahat. Data grid, color dialog, image list, font dialog. Actually, very comprehensive yung controls na pwede. Kung ano nakikita mo sa Windows operating system, magagawa yan sa Visual Basic.net. Kasi I believe Windows is created using Visual Basic.net. Visual Basic. So lahat na nakikita mo na features ng Windows operating system, controls, everything, makukuha mo yan dyan. Magagawa mo dito sa VB.net. So let's have another control. Let's say the radio button. say mail. Kasi di ba sa radio button, ginagamit lang to na yung choice mo lang isa. Kapag multiple choices, checkbox. Ito, radio button. So this is, we can set the name as name radio button mail or mail. Then another radio button. Say this is email. And we can create a button. Alamin natin kung ano yung pinili ng user. Is it male or female? So let's say this is display gender button. And the name is BTN gender. So this time naman, we wanted to check kung ano yung pinili ng user. So with me that rb if rb male that check is equals to true. Wait lang muna. Check muna natin yung ano yung behavior. Let's run the program first. Kung ano yung itsura niya. Okay, so sa radio button, isa lang yung maipili mo dyan. Hindi mo pwedeng mapili lahat. So we can make use of an if statement. So if our mail equals to true, let's say we can display a message box. Or email. Information. Type the gender. Else if be female that check is equals to true. Then so let's save, let's check. Let's run the program. Error. Error sa dito sa else if. Wait lang, error. Baka mali yung structure natin ng else if. Yan. Run. Or we can insert a snippet para hindi magkamali. Check natin kung tama yung code natin. Else if else if else else ganito yung structure. So, pwede dito. Kapag true. Kapag hindi sila true, so message ba? Please select your gender. Yan. Let's save and let's run. Male, you are a male. Okay. Female, you're a female. So, tingnan natin kung wala pa siyang pinipili. Kailang wala dito eh. So, tingnan natin. Kasi hindi gumana yung last kasi selected na kasi yung radio button, either of the two. Try natin click yung button na wala pa siyang pinipili. Please select your gender. Okay. So it's working. Ayos. So this time I make use of an else statement na kinuha ko dun sa insert snippet. Sige, let's try another one. May oras pa. We still have 12 minutes. So let's say yung checkbox. Checkbox 1. Checkbox 2. Ay, checklist to. Checkbox. So this is, let's say this is, let's say order to order. Burger. Fries. This is burger, fries, Coke. Let's say this is your order sa Jollibee. And this is mango pie. So this the name. Ito you need to set the name para dun sa source sa code view. Madali siyang hanapin. Check burger. Check fries. This one naman is check Coke. Say check mango pie. Okay, so let's create a program na will compute the total order of the customer based on the items selected on these checkboxes. So let's create a button. Say this is the compute and compute. Here, let's say compute bill. Yan. So, compute natin. So with me, so let's say yung gawa tayo ng price list. Say you can have constant burger is equals to, kano bang burger? 89 pesos. integer. How do you insert constant integer? Huwag naman yung constant. Nakalimutan ko yung code eh. Ano na lang. Dim burger as double. Dim fries as double. Dim pie as double. Dim isa. Coke as double. Burger is equals to 89. 89. Fries is equals to 50. Pie is equals to 35. Then Coke is equals to, let's say, 20. Ano ko sana i-constant ko na para, pero I forgot kung paano yung format ng constant. Pero tingnan natin sa snippet kung pwede tayo. Collection. Wala nang ano. Pero look at this, guys. Look at this. You want to convert number to octal, meron na siyang snippet. So papalitan mo lang yung parameter. So check natin lang. Yan. So yan. Yan na yung octal to string na code. Anyway. So if that check Coke, that check is equals to true, then paano malalaman Coke? Kailangan pa natin ng isa. Total as double. Pag sinabing double, it will accept value with fractional parts. So total is equals to total plus Coke. Ano ba? Coke. Yes. So try muna natin to. Eh wala pa palang ano. Message box. Total order is dito pwede tayo concatenation total natin ang icon bb information total order. Okay, so kapag yung Coke, check. So 20 kasi 20 ang Coke. So pag check pa natin to na iba, or program should be able to get the total amount by adding the price of the items. Pag wala, compute bill 0 kasi hindi naman na-check. Okay. So, kung ganyan, kapag check, so, ganun lang. Pwede natin i-copy and paste to. Multiple if. Although this is quite elementary. Although, alam ko, makagawa pa kayo na mas magaling dito. Check. Mango pie. Check. Pie. Check. Burger. Check. Stew. Burger. Check. Rice. Yan. So, let's run. Magkano ngayong Coke? 20. Yung pie, 35. So, that's 55. Coke and fries, 70. Bakit? 20 plus 50. Okay, 70. Kung hindi siya naka-check, Coke lang, 20. Kung mango pie and burger, 144. Kung lahat, yun, it's working. Okay? Okay, guys. Simple as that. Stop share. Kumusta? Nakuha ba? Naintindihan? Okay, naintindihan ni Cherry Earl. Actually, it's very simple kasi it's very English-like yung code niya. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi lahat ng tools matuturo ko, pero pinakita ko kung what are the capabilities nung o paano siya gagamitin. Actually, when you select an object and you press dot, yan na yung mga methods, properties, and events niya. For example, ito, share screen ko ulit. So, let's say naggawa tayo dito ng ano. Isa sa mga kahit ito dito na lang sa form. Sa form, meron siyang form load. Ibig sabihin, ito yung ano niya. Ito yung event. Pero yung properties niya, frm main dot back color, ito yung mga properties niya. Tignan mo. Property. So, pwede mong iset. For example, isa pa. Kung dito sa list box, yung list box dot items, these are the property. Ito naman, yung equals niya, this is a function of the list box. Get text item text, this is a function. Ibig sabihin yan yung event niya. Yan yung kaya niyang gawin. Ito naman na height, this is a property. Kasi di ba yung object-oriented, meron siyang property, meron siyang event. Nga, object dog. Yung dog, Yung property niya, pwedeng color of the dog, what type, anong tawag sa dog? Type ba yan? Or yung
Breed.
breed, yes, yeah. Good. What's the breed of the dog? That's a property. Pero if the dog can run, the dog can bark, that's already the method or event na pwedeng gawin ng object dog. Okay? So, yun lang siya. Actually, may icon na naman siya, specification. Identifier naman. So, ito properties, ito yung method, show only methods, ito class. Saan siya although this is part of the lecture on object-oriented programming. Sa ngayon, ang kailangan nyo lang munang alamin ito. Ano yung mga property, ano yung mga methods. Yan na yun. Tapos meron naman siyang mga discussion, description here. So, hindi mo kayo malilito. Again, yung concept dyan ng event-driven programming, the code is being executed if the event happens. So, yung mga ginawa natin na event, halos karamihan, click, 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 click. Yan yung event ng control. Ito na check na this is a property. Yung property baga siya. Yung return type niya boolean, whether check or not. Kaya nakalagay true because of the boolean. Di ba? If you can read this, gets or set a value indicating whether the checkbox is in check state. Same with the radio button. Okay? Itong mga variable declaration, yung discussion ko nito, na lang, kumbaga pahapyaw kasi alam ko you are already done with your programming 1 and 2. Ang kaibahan lang naman sa Visual Basic is syntax, pero yung concept parehas yan. So basically here, we are assigning a value. Pag sinabing double, data type with fractional part. Yung dim, ibig sabihin dimension. You are assigning a dimension in your computer's memory. Kasi di ba when you assign a variable, you're allocating some of your computer's memory. Kaya dim ang tawag niyan sa Visual Basic. Itong loop, for sure naintindihan nyo to. Pwede naman to for loop, pwedeng do while. Familiarity na lang ng structure or ng syntax. And actually, pinakita ko kanina na pwede siyang kunin sa snippet. Okay, so from now on, I will be using this project para dun sa paggawa nyo ng system or your course output. By next session, I'll be demonstrating already yung login form. How will you connect this to your database in MySQL and verify if the username and password are correct for you to view the main form. Okay? So, question, may chat. Kanina lang na 4:05. Okay, questions before we end the session? It's already 5:06.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Shaira.
Ask ko lang po, sir, kasi may ginagawa din po kaming capstone project. So, ask ko lang, sir, if pwede namin gamitin yung ginagawa naming system sa capstone. Sa iyo din po.
Are you working right now in your capstone project? Nag-start na ba kayo?
Sa documentation pa lang, sir. Pero, yun na din sana yung gagamitin namin kung applicable or siya sa criteria. Kasi yung sa amin, sir, ano siya, parang web-based recommendation system, course recommendation system. So, ask ko lang sana yun, sir, sa'yo kung pasok ba siya sa criteria ng, kasi yung sa'yo, sir, di ba working system siya. So, parang, ang needed, parang, ang expected output is like parang payroll system or inventory system, ganun. So, ask ko lang sana, sir, kung yung dun sa ano namin, which is course recommendation system, pasok ba siya sa criteria nung sa ano mo po, sa system mo po?
Actually, yung sa web-based, ang magiging problema natin dyan, although web-based can be an event-driven output, pero ano kasi siya more of page load. Tapos, kung gagawa kayo dyan ng mga GUI, it's more of a framework. Bootstrap ang gagamitin nyo dyan. Kung native PHP naman, hindi rin. Somehow related siya. Kaya lang ang problema, hindi siya pasok doon sa ano. Yung title, you can make use of that. And your grouping, pwedeng yun na rin yun. Kung you are by group also in your capstone project. Pero
Opo,
yung
same group lang kasi, sir, din.
kung same group lang, okay, yung title pwede. Pero yung output itself, kasi you're expected to have a .NET project output. Kung web-based yan, unless you go with ASP, Active Server Pages. Yung VB.NET kasi, you can import that to a web form, pero ASP. Tapos yung server nyo dyan is Microsoft IIS, hindi Apache.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Okay po, sir. Sige, pag-usapan na lang po namin sa group.
Yung ano to, yung grouping and the project features pwede, pero yung platform or programming language na ginamit, hindi siya magsaswak.
Yung ang
Kasi
kailangan namin, sir, gamitin is yung VB.NET for ano.
yes.
Okay po.
Kasi
Sige po, sir.
actually it's in your advantage. Kasi if you're able to produce .NET applications, dalawa yung nalaman nyo. Marunong kayo mag-VB.NET, marunong kayo mag-PHP. Kung gusto nyo parang 1:2, parang isang output, dalawa yung pwedeng pagsubmitan na subject, okay din yun sa part nyo, pero nalilimit kasi yung knowledge nyo sa isang programming language. That's my point.
Okay, sir. Sige pa. Thank you, sir.
Tapos ang kagandahan kasi ng .NET, if you want to go with mobile application, pwede nyo siyang gamitin or pwede kayo mag-create ng mobile application using Xamarin na compatible na sa iOS and Android. Yun ang kagandahan niya. And yung purpose talaga ng subject nito is to give you additional platform that you can use in developing your projects. Hindi naman maganda rin yung isa lang yung programming language na expert ka dyan, pero tingin ko mas maganda kung may variation.
Okay, sir.
What else?
Bali, sir, ask ko na rin yung sa kung kailan ka magbibigay ng midterm exam.
May I know the schedule of the midterm examination? Kailan nga?
Ang alam ko, sir, next week ata, March 5 ba? 5 to 9 ata, sir, di ko sure. Pero ganun, mga ganong range na.
So we can have it next week. As isang session pa. Mga na tayo, March 15 to 19 na
Okay po, sir.
schedule. Isang session pa kasi I need to discuss one more concept, which is
Okay po,
about
sir.
error handling.
Sige po.
Okay. By the way, I have uploaded. Let me share my screen. I have uploaded. I have uploaded here the documentation of Visual Basic for developers. How do you create apps in Visual Studio and the database backup. So, kung gusto nyo itong itry. This database backup has foreign key constraints. So, pwede nyo itong gamitin. And may first demonstration. If you open this, ito siya. Yung gamit ko dito is Workbench. Ito yung logs and users table. Okay. So, any more? So, before we end the session, can you please turn on your camera? Para makita ko naman kayo. Okay. Okay. So, may questions pa ba? Since this is recorded, I'll be uploading this again to my YouTube channel and LMS. So, kung wala ng question, just thumbs up so we can end this session. Okay. Okay, so actually yung Black C hindi pa ata na-finalize yung groupings. Sabi ko nga kanina, yung capstone grouping nyo, you can make use of that for my project. Okay, so thank you and see you next week. Last week I wasn't able to meet you because of the accreditation meetings. Sige, bye-bye.
Sir, thank you.